If I had my life to live over, I'd dare to make more mistakes next time. I'd relax, I would limber up. I would be sillier than I have been this trip, and I would take fewer things seriously. I would take more chances. I would climb more mountains and swim more rivers. I would eat more ice cream and less beans. And I would perhaps have more actual troubles, but I'd have fewer imaginary ones. You see, I'm one of those people who lived sensibly and sanely, hour after hour, day after day. Oh, I've had my moments, and if I had to do it all over again, I'd have more of them. In fact, I'd try to have nothing else, just moments, one after another, instead of living so many years ahead of each day. I've been one of those persons who never goes anywhere without a thermometer or a hot water bottle, a raincoat or a parachute. And if I had to do it again, I would travel lighter than I have this time. If I had my life to live over, I would start barefoot early in the spring and stay that way late into the fall. I would go to more dances, I would ride more merry-go-rounds, and I would pick more daisies. A poem by Nadine Stair, 83 years of age.